Welcome to MTM. This is where we roll up our sleeves and get down to business, building the most accessible, high-performance semi-dump trailers you've ever seen. As a U.S. manufacturer, we proudly invite you to step into our world here in Kewanee, Illinois, a massive 240,000 square foot plant that is the heart and soul of MTM. Every trailer story begins with our design and engineering process. The collaboration between our dedicated engineers and the factory floor creates an environment where both teams think deeply about the customer's operation and maintenance of our trailers. We put in the elbow grease to help you do your job better without worrying about downtime. During our design process, we take the extra time to design and test our components in a 3D and CAD environment. All of our trailer designs go through a rigorous FEA analysis. This helps us identify and fix potential issues before they occur during the manufacturing process. As a result, we are able to produce high-quality products that are more reliable and consistent, which ultimately helps prevent issues in the field that would be much more expensive to fix. It's about making sure our trailers don't simply meet your expectations, they shatter them. We take great pride in the materials we use to fabricate our trailers. Our indestructible steel sheets, which make up the tubs, are rolled with a massive 30-foot CNC-operated 4-roll plate forming machine. This keeps the consistency of the roll controlled and smooth, and what creates our unique seamless side trailers, leaving no lips or edges when joining the sheets. This is vital to allow aggregates and demolition material to easily flow out of the trailer without hanging up. We obsess over the details. From the materials we use to the craftsmanship of our team, if it's got our name on it, it has to be right.